welcome back to another Live Lean vlog. Kyla's back here. Hey, you want to say hi to the vlog? Say hi, vlog. Hi. So today we have lots to show you on the vlog. We're gonna start with a pregnancy workout. I'm gonna show you the kind of before and after of me following this workout when I was 9 months pregnant, and then a side-by-side comparison with me doing the same workout just 1 week ago. So on the left side, you see me here pregnant, ready to pop. Literally, this was 48 hours before Cody was born. And then on the right side, you see me this week, 3 months postpartum. So enjoy the workout, and I hope this gives you some ideas and some inspiration to stay fit during, throughout, and after pregnancy. Every move you see me doing here is included in my Live Lean Pregnancy Training Guide, which takes you all the way through all 3 trimesters. This one is called Ready to Pop in the 3rd trimester packet of the Live Lean Pregnancy Program. It's very safe to use during pregnancy. It's also great for postpartum. This workout felt just as good even without the big belly bump. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this side-by-side comparison and how my body has changed from being 9 months pregnant to being 3 months postpartum.
Well, it's a happy, sad day. See, if you see up on my shoe wall, there's a missing piece right here. It's like I'm selling one of my kids. My Adidas NMDs, New York City. These things are sweet. I really actually like these sneakers. These are sold. So whoever bought these bad boys, enjoy. So now the question is, what am I gonna fill that void up there with? Okay guys, what I'm showing you right now is one of my Tabata workouts, and I'll tell you a quick little backstory on it, but first let me just describe the workout. So it's a 20-10, 20 seconds of work, 10-second rest. First exercise is going to be just some squats. So you're gonna do that for 20 seconds, and then you're gonna take a 10-second break after that. So this is actually a real-time workout, so you can do this right now if you want. There's no equipment involved. Get up out of your seat, keep watching, and then just jump in and do this workout. This is the 10-second break. Then you're gonna now go into the push-up, jump, burpee. So you're gonna do a burpee, push up at the bottom, then jump up into the air at the end. 20 seconds of this. And then you have 2 more exercises after this. So let me quickly get into the backstory of what this workout is, or why it's kind of so interesting. I first filmed this workout back in 2012 when I was doing weekly Tabata workouts for the LiveLeanTV channel. And so here's the next exercise, mountain climbers. So what I did, when I filmed this particular video, I was wearing like a smaller pair of shorts, I guess you'd call them. They're a little bit tighter, and I guess I should just say you could see the bulge. And I remember after I finished filming and I was editing the video, I was like, oh no, you can see the bulge. Like, should I do it over again, or should I just post it? So what I did was I tried to put like text over top of the screen and hope that would kind of cover it a little bit so it wasn't so apparent. And this is the last exercise here, is the high knee taps. So you're gonna do this for 20 seconds, and you can repeat that workout. So anyway, I just decided, I was like, you know what? I filmed the workout, I'm just gonna post it. Oh, don't pretend like you just didn't see that. See, like, I don't know what happened there, my ankle kind of gave out, but that is an example that sometimes even like I screw up and make a fool of myself at the gym by even doing the simplest things. So don't feel bad if you ever like make a mistake and you think everyone's staring at you at the gym. It happens to all of us. All right, back to the story. I'll try to put some text over top every time I stand up and you can see the bulge. But that didn't work. A lot of people made comments about it in that video, but I'm glad that I actually ended up posting it, because that video was, I think it's about 800,000 views right now. So I'm glad that I put that one out there. So now we're entering the second round here. You're gonna do 1 more round of this and then you're done. So hopefully you are up off of the couch or off of your chair or whatever you're doing right now, and you're put the phone down, or you put your computer down, and you're doing this workout with me. So I like these 4-minute workouts not as the only workout of the day, and I always try to have to preface when I show these Tabata workouts that this is not my only workout of the day. This is the workout that I typically do after my resistance training workout. So after my weights program, I'll have 4 minutes left in before the workout's done, and I'll just do one of these workouts. This is really gonna help, you know, continue more calorie burning after the workout. It's really gonna leave all like your energy that you have left on the floor. So when you're done this 4 minutes, you're done your 60-minute workout, you can feel like you accomplished something, you're like on the right track, and you feel really good about it. So that's what I like to do with Tabata workouts. I don't use these as my only workout. I have to keep saying that. Like, this isn't how I got into shape from just doing 4 minutes. This is like the cherry on top of the resistance training workouts that we do and that we share with you guys in our LiveLeanTV programs. So we're almost done the workout. This is the mountain climber here, 20 seconds, and this is the second round. It's really gonna feel like, let's go. You only got 4 minutes, or only at this point, probably one exercise to go. So let's see what you guys got. 20-second break, and then we're finishing it off with those high knees. You can tell in the video I'm huffing and puffing, but the end is near. And the landscaper's outside my office window right now, so this sound probably is terrible. My bad. Guys, hopefully you enjoyed the Tabata workout and the commentary. If you did, slap a like on it. So guys, I'm always asked what's the best type of cardio to do low impact. So if you have sore joints, this is it right here, guys. Get into the pool.
About walking the dog?
Yeah,
Yeah, there is a doggy. Look at this crazy haired kid. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. So just wanted to pop in and check in with you guys, see how you all are doing and what workouts you're doing lately. If you aren't part of our Team LiveLean membership, then you may not know. We have a new training plan published every first of the month. Today happens to be April 1st, so brand new training plan today called Making Gains. And it's exciting because, you know, one of our biggest pieces of advice for anyone looking to transform their body or even maintain their LiveLean lifestyle is to never walk into your workout without a plan. And so that's exactly what we designed with Team LiveLean. So we wanted a place where you always had a plan, something new and exciting to look forward to, and always changing, never boring. And you know, all the workouts are designed in the right way to keep your body lean forever and continue making those gains. So that's what Team LiveLean does for you. Gives you a new plan every first of the month, so you never get in a rut and you never walk into the gym or your home training space without knowing what to do. So if you are a Team LiveLean member, make sure you log in, check out the current plan, and find out what's your workout of the day and get after it. Right, Kai? So get after it.
Get at it.
Yes. So let us know in the comment section below if you have any questions about this, and I'll see you later.
Bye-bye.
One more thing I forgot to mention is with the food side of things, if you feel like food and nutrition is your biggest struggle, then in Team LiveLean we have a plan to help you with that as well. That's why we come out with weekly meal plans. Every 7 days you get a brand new, here's what you're gonna eat for the week. It comes with recipe videos, step by step, with me and Brad in the kitchen showing you actually how to put these meals together. So it really simplifies eating to get lean and takes that stress off your plate of like planning out what you should eat. All done for you. So that's just another perk of being in Team LiveLean, and not to mention the group accountability that Brad and I are in there every single day, answering your questions, interacting, posting videos and photos and everything, and people from all around the world are too. This is a very supportive community and we love it. So hope to see you inside Team LiveLean. You're so cute.
Hey Kai, you want to put the book down and come close out the vlog with Daddy? I know, it's just valuable information that you need to know. I know. All right, guys, so thanks to you so much for watching another vlog. We love you guys. I love sharing our fitness journey, but also the journey that we have with our little kiddos. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click the like button down below and leave a comment below if you like these vlogs, what you want to see on future vlogs, what we can touch on to help you guys with your journey as well. Thank you guys for watching. Living lean.
Kid Eddie.
Boy.
I go in